pause, you're thinking, what am I going to do? Oh, I have an idea, I'll bowl. You need a heavier ball, dude.
Roll sound, if you can hear me, Tony.
Speed.
And roll camera.
Speed.
And when you see that man here, you maybe get good luck in high score.
I think you said I can't. Say it.
I don't know what's happening.
Let's roll sound, roll cameras.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Speed.
What the hell? We may as well talk as well.
Let's just change the sign language right now, why not?
First film done in Braille. Emily, could you just pull your top down? Even it out and it is this kind of shirt.
Like,
Just pop your clothes on
more
the stool.
cleavage.
It's not what you will do, it's what you did do. I think I got that order wrong. Yep. Shit.
Yeah, you can't look confused when you say it.
I know! Operation! You killed him.
And that helps me how?
Sorry, line.
Give me that again, though. It's supposed to be the reference is valid.
Fucking up. Fuck.
My fault.
Fuckity fuck.
Emily's playing
Which
fuck
part?
with the line.
Say man's
I had to say it once now.
Wait, you're the, what's the next line? You're the creation, what's the C word?
You're connected.
Connected!
There you go.
You're connected.
Probably because you said it twice.
You're connected. Mitch, bottom. All right.
Their hackles. Tangle. Fuck. Fine.
Wait. Okay. Beep, beep. Disengaging.
That was an accident.
I don't know, I think they're disengaged with. Cut.